Best project management softwares. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be telling you about the best project management software that are better for you to use for your productivity and team management. So let's get started. Today I will give you an overview of Monday.com, Trello, ClickUp, and Asana. And we will actually check out their different features and pricing to just get an overview that how these platforms work and what is the difference between each platform. So let's start with Monday.com. Monday.com is one of the very famous project management software out there, and it is all in one. You get a lot of options. For example, project management, sales and CRM, marketing, creative and design, software development, task management, operations, HR and recruitment, and you can actually create different workspaces as well. So let's go to the pricing for Monday.com real quick to get an idea that how much we are going to pay for Monday.com and to check its affordability. So you can see right here that there is a free plan which is free forever. That is pretty good, and we get up to 2 seats. Then we have the basic plan which is $8. Then we have the standard plan which is $10. Then we have the pro plan which is $16, and then there is an enterprise which is going to be the customized. And the different features we get in these plans are unlimited boards, unlimited documents. For example, in our basic plan we get up to 5 GB file storage, and the storage increases with the pricing. And then you will see that we get up to 200 templates in the free version. That is pretty good. And then we get integrations when it comes to standard plan. So there is this whole workspace area that we get, and it is super professional and super creative when it comes to Monday.com. We get the chart views, we get the calendar, we get the time tracking, and different features as well. And the good thing is that we can add integrations into our Monday.com to make it better for us. So if we go to product right here, you can see right here that these are the different features that we get in Monday.com. Documents, you can actually add and collaborate and connect your different documents to your Monday.com. Integrations, in the integrations you can actually add your Slack, your Discord, or any other, your Google Calendar, your Gmail, your HubSpot. You can actually integrate any of these different platforms to your Monday.com to make your workspace look better and to run it efficiently. Then we get the automation option, which is pretty good. We can actually customize our automation within minutes. We get different dashboards, and then we get Kanban and Gantt as well. So product overview and app marketplace as well. So Monday.com is a pretty good option for you for your team productivity. We can do time tracking. You can create different boards and charts to keep everything organized. And when it comes to the integrations, you can add different integrations. For example, you can actually check out the integrations right here. Your Discord, your MailChimp, your Facebook and HubSpot, Twitter, Google Calendar, everything. Then you can save time with automations, 24/7 customer support. That is pretty good. And the customer support for Monday.com is phenomenal. And that is why I think Monday.com is one of the very best options for you to choose as your project management software. The next on the list is Trello.com. Trello is also very famous and very basic project management software which allows you to collaborate, manage your project, and to increase your productivity. Now, to get started with Trello is super easy. And once you are into Trello, if you like the board view, if you like the different, charts and cards and, notes and stuff like that, then I think Trello is for you because the view of Trello is pretty good and the features Trello offers are also pretty good. And when it comes to, Trello, I really like Trello because it is very beginner's friendly and it is not complicated. You create different workspaces for yourself, and then you can add different boards, and then each board can have a list of different tasks that you can add. You can do integrations, of course, and automations. We'll talk about the features in a second. Let's go to the pricing real quick and let me show you how much Trello actually charges. Let's check out the pricing. So this is the pricing for Trello free plan, which is $0. Again, pretty good. We are getting a free plan. Then the standard plan is $5 and premium is $10, and the enterprise is going to be $17. So when it comes to the standard plan, I think it is cheaper than Monday.com. So the features, of course, unlimited cards, unlimited boards, advanced checklist, and different workspaces in the standard plan. In the standard plan, we get up to 250 MB file storage. A pretty good, okay, okay? Then in our premium plan, we get dashboard view, we get collections, we get integrations, we get map view and calendar view as well. So this is pretty good. And then you can actually go for a customized plan, which is according to your users, and that is starting from $17. So the pricing is pretty reasonable. When we talk about the different features that Trello is actually offering, the features are pretty good and the pricing is also very reasonable. You are getting your desktop view, you are getting automations, you are getting integrations, you are getting map view, you are getting calendars, you are getting different dashboards for each workspace. So this is pretty good, and Trello actually allows you to create this amazing, creative, and very productive workspace for yourself to manage your teams better. So yeah, if you're looking for a project management software, then you should definitely check out Trello.com. Up next, we have ClickUp.com. ClickUp is also one of the very famous and very old project management softwares out there. And the good thing about ClickUp is super professional and it works very efficiently with big teams. For example, if you have members, like 500 members, then I think you should go with ClickUp. And this is the difference between ClickUp and Trello. Trello is for, small teams and small businesses. And when it comes to ClickUp can actually manage a very large team and a very big business as well, and it allows integrations with other project management softwares, for example Monday.com and Jira as well. So ClickUp is amazing. So before we get into the features of ClickUp, let's go to the pricing for ClickUp real quick, so we get an idea that how the pricing for ClickUp works. So this is the pricing for ClickUp.com. You can see that we get a free version, and let me just say this, that the free version of ClickUp actually looks pretty good than the others, like the free version of Monday.com or Trello. I think ClickUp is offering more features in the free version, and it is free forever, of course. Unlimited is $5, business is $9, and business plus is $19. Now, I think I really like the pricing for ClickUp because it is just as I think the first plan of Trello was also $5, and for Monday it was $8 or maybe $9. So on ClickUp, the features we get in these plans are much more, efficient. When we talk about the features are pretty good in ClickUp, but the pricing is very reasonable. That is why ClickUp is, most of the time the very first choice for every, team and every business. They go for ClickUp because it allows you to manage a big team for just $5 or $9 per user per month. So this is pretty good. And then there is $9 and $19. Of course, when we talk about the different features, of course, unlimited storage, that is pretty good because in the Trello and Monday.com, we were getting 5 GB or maybe 100 MB of storage, but here we get unlimited storage. There are unlimited dashboards, and then we can do different views. You have permission to add the guest as well, and you don't pay for the guest. That is pretty good. Then we get automations, we get a different custom role creation as well, custom permissions, and you can do a lot with ClickUp. So these are the different features you get in this pricing. The pricing looks pretty good. Let's go to the features and products for ClickUp. So when we talk about the different cases, the different projects that ClickUp allows you to create are project management, remote work, development, sales, CRM, startup, health, design, and marketing. You can actually create different tasks. You customize the way you manage your work. Then you can add different documents. You can build different files and documents. Then you have integrations where you can connect different platforms to your ClickUp. Then we have apps as well, goals and import, where you can bring any existing project to your ClickUp. So this is how ClickUp works. Pretty good and reasonable platform for you to work, and very professional, and it actually gets very complicated as well when you get into ClickUp because it has a lot of features that it offers. But when you are familiar with ClickUp, then I think it's a piece of cake for you. So yeah, if you are looking for a project management software, to go ahead and check out ClickUp.com. The next on the list is Asana.com. Asana is also a very good platform to work with. Let's check out the pricing for Asana real quick so we have an idea that what is the pricing for Asana and if it is affordable or not. So Asana offers three plans, which are basic, which is $0. Then we have the premium plan, which is $10, $10.99. Then we have business plan, which is $24.99. So these are the plan, just three plans. Basic is completely free, and then we get the $10 plan. The pricing is good because the features are actually pretty good in Asana as well. But again, when we talk about Trello, ClickUp, or Monday.com, we actually got different plans. For example, we were getting $5 per user per month, so that was pretty good. And in Asana, if you want to upgrade, you will directly have to upgrade to the premium plan, which is $10.99. So it depends on you, that if you are using Asana and you like it, then you can just go ahead for the $10 per user per month. So when we talk about the different features, unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited messages, unlimited activity log, forums, rules, timeline, unlimited dashboards, milestones, task templates, different admin consoles, portfolios, goals, workload, and approvers proofing. So these are the different features you get in all of these plans. You actually get a project overview, you have your assignees and due dates, and you can add different milestones, and you can actually do time tracking as well with the integrations that Asana allows. So the pricing is good, and the features, if we talk, are pretty good as well, and very efficient to use, very easy to use Asana. And when we go to the features, you will be able to see the different features that Asana offers. Timeline, build a beautiful Gantt chart in minutes. Reporting, get real-time insight into the product of your work. Boards, where you can actually track your work with different board views. Calendar, where you can actually schedule your meetings and do a lot. Then we get the portfolios, forums, goals, workload, automation, and app integration, where you can integrate different apps. For example, you can integrate your Clockify, you can integrate your Facebook, HubSpot, or maybe any Slack, Discord, whatever you want to integrate, you can integrate with Asana, and you can make it even better. So yeah, guys, Asana is also one of the very advanced and modern option for you, and very efficient for you to use for your productivity and to manage your team. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you have an idea how these project management softwares work, and you have an idea about how these platforms actually work and which platform is better for you to use for your team. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.